I know, it's 4 minutes long. Can you guys actually hold out for the 4 minutes? We got some interesting content today. Yep. One of the followers to the channel, man's been talking to me for a couple of years now, been wanting to come over to the track, give us some laps and see what it's all about. Well, he finally come over. He was calling it a turn track, figuring that, yeah, it was just a small little track in a backyard and everything was going to be real easy peasy to ride. Didn't realize Tony's a 3-year quad champion. He can't have a second gear track to practice on. This is a 3rd, 4th gear track. It's a rather large track. The table that he just hit is about 60 foot long. The triple is probably about 80 foot, if not a little bit longer. These are not small jumps. If you're not cruising, you're not gonna make the jumps. Yeah, I got out there on my 250R, got about a lap and a half in, through the chain. She didn't like the hard landings. I gotta put some kind of chain guide on that thing so it keeps the chain on the rear sprocket. This is the 4th time it spit the chain, so yep, 250R problems. Gotta love vintage trikes. This thing's amazing, flies great, handles great, just doesn't want to stay together. Fun times. Yep. So I'm gonna let you guys sit here and watch the antics of us running laps, and at the end of this video, as funny as can be, can you tell me what the man says at the end? We got a surprise little blooper. Nobody was expecting it to happen. Definitely caught us off guard. Was a little comical though, and his reaction to it was priceless. Thank everybody for keeping tuned in, checking out the videos, supporting the channel. Couldn't do this without you guys. One of these days we'll be monetized. We'll be able to definitely upgrade the videos and the content and everything else. We're working on it. We're getting there, little at a time. More watch time, more views. That's all we can do. I'll keep posting and posting and posting. I realize the majority of you guys that are clicking on these are first-time viewers. Some of you old-school viewers, chime in down in the comments below. The new-time viewers, Sawyer Custom and Speed is a trike and quad race shop. We do lots of custom builds. Yes, there's some videos of dirt bikes and stuff on the track. We will let the dirt bikes come out here and play on the motocross track. This is an 1.5 acre plot in the back with a full track on the back of it. Definitely not small. Dirt bikes, trikes, quads. We've got videos galore on this channel of riding, racing. We've got Dade City races. We've got vintage trike races from when I was running around with Sunshine State Vintage. You guys haven't figured out, there's playlists and stuff on this channel. Click on the playlists. All kinds of different stuff to see. Check it all out. Dig on through. Watch time is key. We've got 1,000+ videos on this channel. It's been going for over 10 years. Had a lot of fun. Done a lot of stuff. Definitely been a journey and an experience. The last couple of years have really been pushing, trying to get content out. This past year has been a long fought war. I got my subscriber count. Now we're going for the watch time. Really appreciate everybody and all that you've done. For everybody that says, why are my videos not going out that far? Well, because I'm only getting about 20 to 40% watch time on the video. The longer the watch time, the further the videos go. Really appreciate everybody. Really appreciate the time you spend on the channel. You guys listen to this 250F rip around a little bit. Maybe you can hear him through the voiceover. Once again, pay attention. Let me know what he says down in the comments below.
Well, he said 2 laps.